Good morning. Myself, Vinod Tade, lecturer in electronics, Government Polytechnic, Nasik, Maharashtra, India. I am here to show you how to write the program of subtraction for microcontroller 8051. For that, we have a program statement, write assembly language program to perform subtraction of two 8-bit numbers which are stored in 50H and 51H of internal memory. Store result in 52H. So we have two numbers which are already stored in the internal memory. That is 50H and 51H. We have to perform the subtraction and we have to store result at 52H. So to understand this subtraction, we will take two numbers. Suppose my first number is 15H and second number is something 09H. Then what the result of subtraction I will get, that I have to check. So as my data is in the internal memory, so we will write the program which is similar to the addition program by using the internal memory. So for this case, again, we have to use a memory pointer, and as a memory pointer, we will use one register. So see, your first line will be the assembler directive org0000H. Then you will write the first instruction move R0, hash 50H. You will initialize R0 with 50H, so it will work as a memory pointer. It will work as a memory pointer. It means in R0 you will get the value 50H. After that, we will take this first value into the accumulator. It means you will get A is equal to the value pointed by R0, that is the value of memory location 50H you will get into the accumulator. Now you have to increment the pointer so that it will point to the next value, that is second value. So by using increment R0, you will get R0 is equal to 51H. After that, we have to use the subtraction instruction with indirect addressing mode. Register indirect addressing mode. So it will perform the subtraction of A minus @R0 minus the borrow, and the borrow it represents by using the carry flag, correct? So this will be your comment. So you will get A is equal to A minus @R0 minus carry. In short, you will get A is equal to 15 minus 09 minus the value of carry flag. As it is not defined, we will consider it as a 0. And normally when we will not define, the default value is already 0. So consider it as a 0 for the initial conditions. It means you will get your result into the accumulator. Whatever the result is there, you will get it into the accumulator. And after getting this result into the accumulator, what is the next task? Simply, we have to store this result into the 52H. So for that, you will have to again increment your memory pointer. So it will be R, increment R0, it will be R0 is equal to 52H. And after that, you have to use the instruction move @R0, A, so that it will store the result of subtraction into the 52H. So in 52H, you will get the value of A, correct? Whatever the value is there, you will get it into the 52H. And after that, we will end this program. So again, see what we have to do. First, take the starting address of your program memory by using origin instruction command, org000h. Then initialize the source pointer, move R0, comma hash 50H. So R0 will be 50H. Then take the first number into the accumulator by using register indirect addressing mode. Then increment R0, it will become 51H. Then directly subtract the value of 51H from the accumulator value. So you will get the result immediately into the accumulator. After that, we have to store this result. So increment the R0 and store the value of A at the incremented value, that is at 52H. As our task is complete, write the last assembler directive, that is the end directive, correct? So this is how you can write your program of subtraction using the pointer.